Okay, I'm going to have another chance to give it another go explaining this fractions. This is hopefully less than 2 minutes, so it's a nice quick one for you. So Aya decided to make a pizza again. Over here we can see that she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's been sliced into 6 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4 are cheese covered slices of the pizza. 4 out of 6 equivalent to 2/3. 2 out of the 6 are vegetarian ones. 2/6 is equivalent to 1/3. For this case, I'm just going to keep it the same as 2 over 6 is vegetarian and 4/6 is the cheese. So over here, I made a pizza. 2/6 vegetarian, 4/6 cheese. Her friend Looney Tunes again came in and stole 1/8 of the pizza. 1/8. So I'm going to put over here 1/8. Of the 1/8 that she's taken, so there's only 1/8 of the entire pizza, 1/3 is vegetarian. So of the 1/8, 1/3 is vegetarian, which must mean the other part of that is 2/3, which must be cheese, because 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3. 1 whole part of the 1/8. So 2/3 is the cheese. So that's what I'm putting over here. The 1/8 is what Looney stole. And I'm going to multiply this by the 2/3, which is the cheese, because that's what we wanted to find out. Because down here it says, what fraction of the original pizza remains, which means it's left, is cheese. What fraction of the original pizza remains of cheese? So we want to find out here, because Looney came in, took 1/8, and of that 1/8, 2/3 was cheese. So I need to find out how much is left here. That's the whole point. So 1/8 multiplied by 2/3, you go straight across multiplication. 8 times 3 is 24. 1 times 2 is 2. I could simplify, but for this case, I'm just keeping it the same at this stage. So I'm just going to bring down here 2 24ths. And now I'm going to subtract. So the reason I'm subtracting, what is it that I am subtracting? Am I subtracting 2 24ths from what fraction of the original pizza remains is cheese? So the original part of the pizza of cheese was 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6. Oh, sorry, I can't really see this. So 4/6 take away 2 24ths. I could simplify it, but I'm just going to keep it the same. 6, and I'm just going to do what I call the butterfly one. Multiply this way, multiply this way, multiply this way. I could do that. Or 6 can go into 24. It's related. I could do 6 goes into 24, or 24 divided by 6, 4 times. So I could times that by 4. What I do at the bottom, I do at the top. So this now says 16 over 24 minus 2 over 24 equals, denominators stay the same, it's 24. 16 minus 2 is 14. I can simplify this, because 2 can go into them both evenly. 2 can go into 14 7 times. 2 can go into 24 12 times. Oh, I didn't read that. 12 times. So 7/12 is the answer for finding out 1/8 was the stolen piece. Of the 1/8, 2/3 of the 1/8 And then we went on to the next part, what was the remainder? What's left of the original cheese? So if I just come back here just a little bit, we know the answer is 7/12. So just going back here, if I just get rid of this, instead of timesing it by 4 and timesing that by 4, I could do the butterfly one. 6 times 24 is 144. I cross over here. 24 times 4 is 96. I cross this way. 4 times 2 is 12. 96 take away 12, or 96 minus 12 leaves 84. 84 over 144, we know we can simplify that. 12 can go into 84 and 12 can go into 144. So let's look at that. 12 times 12 is 144 and 12 times 7 is 84. 7/12. So that is my answer. So the question was, what fraction of the original pizza remains of cheese? 7/12, and I cannot break that down any further. Good luck.